Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a stuck on press to start screen issue for Persona 5 The Phantom X for PC. The first thing you want to do is try to run this game as an administrator. How does this work? You find this game in your Steam library, you right click it, go to properties, you go to installed files, you go to browse. You'll see the launcher right here. You want to right click on this, you want to click on properties from here. And from here, you're going to see something called the compatibility tab. Click on this and you'll see something called run this program as administrator. Click this, hit apply, hit OK, and then run the game to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is delete the cache for this game, because that might cause a start screen to freeze for some people. How do you do this? So open up Windows Explorer like so. Go to users. Right here, go to whatever user you're currently logged in as, go to app data. Right here, this is a hidden folder. You can tell by the color being slightly different from other folders. You can see hidden files. It's going to be hidden by default. You can see it by clicking on this, going show and hidden items. After you can see it, click on it, and from here click on local. And from here, click scroll down until you see P5X game. And you're gonna see a folder called cache. Delete this. Do not worry, this gets automatically recreated once you have started the game. So delete this and restart the game to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, after you have done this and it still isn't working, go back to here, right click on this, go to properties, installed file, and click on verify integrity of game files to see if that fixes the issue. Basically this goes through all the game files and finds corrupted files and automatically replaces them. It is quite useful. If it still isn't working, update your graphics drivers. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but also update your Windows. Go to settings, Windows update, and make sure Windows is up to date. This matters quite a bit more than you might think. Okay, after you have done that, let's try turning off your antivirus. So go to Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings under this and turn off real-time protection. Now then go back to this screen, go to Firewall and Network Protection, go to Public Network, click on this and turn off Microsoft Defender Firewall and see if that fixes the issue. If it does fix the issue, then set this as an exception in both of them, or just turn them back on once you have finished playing the game. Okay, I also recommend you to turn off overlays in both Steam. For Steam, you can right click on it, go to properties and click it here, and Discord, as that has caused some issues for other people. And last but not least, I would recommend using a software called ExitLag. This is amazing. So what is this? This is a software that makes games online much faster. It also gives you a lot of FPS on your PC. So I have it connected right now. Basically what it does is it uses AI to connect you to the closest servers to wherever you live. My ping right now is 3 connected to Steam, and you can find the game right here. You can find the server for whatever region you are living in and click apply routes. You can also analyze your network. You can boost FPS on your PC. You can shotgun internet. You can take internet from wireless internet and wired internet and shotgun and use them together. You can do a bunch of really cool things. It is completely free for 3 days. You don't need a credit card. Might as well give it a try. There's a link in the video description below. And that is it. If this video helped you, please leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.